The Cuisinart Airfryer toaster oven is compact in size, yet spacious enough to air fry up to 2.5 pounds of food at once with minimal noise and maximum ease. With features of full-size models, this innovative unit has 6 functions: convection bake and convection broil, air fry, toast, bagel, and warm. Air frying is a healthier alternative to deep frying in oil. A high-velocity fan and an upper heating element circulates the air to prepare a variety of foods that are both delicious and healthier than traditionally fried foods. Air fry favorites such as chicken wings. Toast 4 slices of bread or bagel halves at once to serve up a quick and easy breakfast. Bake a 3-pound chicken in less than 60 minutes and save time with easy cleanup. The Cuisinart Compact Air Fryer Toaster Oven has temperatures of up to 450 degrees and offers great performance without crowding the countertop. It's so simple to use. Turn the knobs to select function, time, and temperature. Enjoy all the crunch without the calories. The Cuisinart Compact Air Fryer Toaster Oven.
Introducing the Crisp and Bake Air Fry Toaster Oven from BLACK+DECKER. It combines 2 kitchen appliances into one. All the convenience of a countertop toaster oven, now with air fry technology. The air fry function is so easy to use. Just fill the frying basket, turn the function to air fry, and set the time. No preheat necessary. You can make French fries, frozen snacks, cuts of meat, and more. While a deep fryer submerges food in high-fat oil, the air fryer uses convection technology to circulate high-intensity hot air. This method adds a delicious crisp to your favorite fried foods, all with little to no added oil. You also get classic toaster oven performance with functions like toast, broil, bake at specific temperature, and keep food warm. Set the cook timer for predictable results, or use the stay on function for longer cooking tasks. With the toasting function, use the shade timer to get the exact results you want. The Crisp and Bake comes in 2 sizes to fit your family's needs. Make toast for big breakfasts, pizza for the party, or a full pan for family dinner. The larger model fits a 9 by 13 inch pan with handles, so you can use the pans you already own. The ease and convenience of a toaster oven, now with air frying, a healthier way to enjoy your favorite fried foods. You get it all with the Crisp and Bake Air Fry Toaster Oven, only from BLACK+DECKER.
Zojirushi's new compact 2-slice toaster oven is ideal for singles and small families, and is packed with features that let you cook and heat various foods effortlessly. There are 2 dials on the machine. The top dial adjusts the temperature, letting you cook or reheat a wide range of foods, like toast, cookies, pizza, and mochi rice cakes. And the bottom dial sets the time up to 30 minutes. Foods commonly cooked in a toaster oven are imprinted on the door with dial setting guidelines. This toaster oven is equipped with a mesh rack, which helps foods cook more evenly while reducing grill marks on foods. And also comes with a high-quality baking tray. The mesh rack, glass door, and crumb tray are removable and washable, and all surfaces that come into contact with food are BPA-free.
From gourmet goodness to heart-healthy eats and soul-satisfying meals, meet the oven that outdoes the rest. Introducing the Oster Countertop Oven with Air Fryer, offering more features than a traditional oven, including bake, convection bake, broil, toast, and now the option to air fry. Air frying is quick and easy, and with the provided air fry basket, you'll be enjoying crispy food in no time. The Oster Countertop Oven with Air Fryer delivers consistent and even results, using 99.5% less oil. The oven boasts a large capacity, which can accommodate a wide variety of foods, from a large 12-inch pizza to a meal for the whole family, all while conveniently taking up minimal countertop space. So make it bold, make it zesty, or make it sweet. You can make it all with the Countertop Oven with Air Fryer from Oster.
The Breville Smart Oven Air with Super Convection is a real superhero. The power of Super Convection generates extreme air circulation for fast and even cooking. It reduces cooking time by 30% and makes techniques like air frying, dehydrating, roasting or proofing super simple. It's supersized, 1 cubic foot, and allows you to roast a perfectly brown 14-pound turkey. It also fits a 5-quart Dutch oven, most 9 by 13-inch pans, standard 12-cup muffin trays, and 9 slices of toast. Our Element IQ technology uses 6 independent quartz heating elements to move the power where it's needed most, above and below the food. Advanced PID temperature control reduces overshoot to deliver precise and stable cooking temperatures. With 13 easy-to-use pre-programmed settings and interface and suggested positioning on the oven door, it takes the guesswork out of cooking. Let's roast a 14-pound turkey. First, select the roast function, then temperature, and lastly, set the time. I've placed the turkey in a roasting pan in the correct rack position. Allow it to rest and you will have the perfect roast. Super succulent turkey. For those of you who love healthier, guilt-free cooking, you can now air fry. High heat and super convection maximizes airflow for fast and crispy food. Select the air fry setting, pop the fries in the air fry basket and place in the smart oven. Crunchy, moreish, healthier air-fried French fries and other family favourites are only minutes away. Super Convection also makes dehydrating super simple. Temperatures can be set as low as 83 degrees for precise, low and stable heat. Select dehydrate, confirm temperature and time and press start. Place your preferred slices of fruit or vegetables in the dehydrate basket. I simply start dehydrating after the kids go to bed and the next morning I've got lovely, healthy snacks. The low temperature control paired with Super Convection creates ideal conditions for proofing bread, rolls, pizza and more. Select the proof setting, confirm the temperature and time and press start. The proof is in the dough. Using the dedicated slow cooker function, it makes tender and flavourful stews and casseroles. I press start in the morning and when I come home from work, I have dinner done. Super flavour, super slow. The Breville Smart Oven Air does so many things better. It toasts more evenly. It bakes moist and delicious cakes, muffins and mouth-watering pies and cookies. With the pizza setting, you could have fresh homemade pizza in the same amount of time it would take to order it in. It can reheat leftovers, keep a meal warm without drying it out, and Phase Cook allows you to set programs back to back. Bake your lasagna and broil the topping automatically. For more ideas, tips and inspiration, why not explore our online recipe collection? It'll help you achieve super results.